How's it going, guys? So today we're doing a video on the key bypass. Now, let me explain a little bit before we start here. I did a video a while back on how to bypass any key in 5 minutes. And the video was taking the transponder chip out of a key and taping it to the ignition switch. Now, a lot of cars, that'll still work. Most cars, that'll still work. I know even our BMW guys, the car will still go to sleep if you do that. You can leave the key in the ignition, it'll go to sleep with the key in the ignition. You still will need the key to start the car. So how this is beneficial, you don't have to code the transponder to the car if you want a new key. You go out and get a key burnt or whatever you want to do. Now, all that aside, is that the best way to do it? No, that is the cheapest way to do it. The best way to do it, the easiest way to do any key bypass, let's say replacement at this point, that's what you're really going for, is to call the dealer, give them your VIN number. Most manufacturers will make you a key anywhere from 100 to 150 bucks. Depends on who it is, which manufacturer it is. That's the best way to go about it. Now, for my German car fans, there's scanners you could buy, even for Chevy, Ford, Dodge, where you actually program the key. For the Toyota guys and Honda guys that have chips in your key, a lot of your more basic scanners will flash the key just through the OBD2 port. I have several Altel scanners here that will do that. But those scanners are a few $100s. You know, anything that you insert the key into to flash it, that's 100 to 200 bucks. So right there's your key. More double the price of your key, triple the price, quadruple the price if you're talking about a $400 scanner. So, can you bypass a key in 5 minutes by taking the chip out, taping it to your ignition switch? Yes, you can. Will it work? Yes, it will. That's pretty much the end of the story. So in chain of events, the cheapest is to do that. The next cheapest is to buy a key from the dealer. And the most expensive is to buy a scanner or a laptop with the software to program that. And that's where you're at. If you're a shop, get the scanner or software. If you're individual, just bypass the key or get one from the dealer. That's it, guys. Just want to clear all that up. ET's been on my case. Email me all the time to make a video. The other video has almost 700,000 views. So I'm going to link this to the old video and vice versa. Keep watching, guys. Doing my part on this. What YouTube's telling me to do for the channel. Back to BMW videos immediately. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.